This video is on bandwidth monitors. One of the first statistics you want to gather from log files is information on the bandwidth. This is fundamental network statistic that shows the percentage of the network that has been used over time. Bandwidth monitoring is a way for IT professionals to determine actual bandwidth availability on your systems. This is what helps you understand usage, traffic flow, bandwidth hogs, and network strains across your IT environment. Bandwidth monitoring gives you the means to identify hosts, talkers, and listeners, as well as get a sense of how much bandwidth and what type of protocols are being consumed. In a work environment, people use their computers for a lot of different things. When you're able to keep an eye on anything that could affect your bandwidth, from internet browsing to downloading, you can better ensure network availability. There are multiple ways to gather these metrics, like using SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol, NetFlow, SFlow, IPFix, and so forth. You can also use Protocol Analyzer through a software agent that is running on a particular device. Some of the information you gain from flows include source and destination IP, service type, and logical interface. 3 common flavors of flow protocols include NetFlow for Cisco, SFlow for HP and Netgear, and JFlow for Juniper. Bandwidth Monitor is a tool for measuring the actual available bandwidth on a local system. End users can use bandwidth monitors to get actual picture of what bandwidth may actually be available due to various factors involved in the provision of high-speed internet. The bandwidth monitor tool basically provides real-time insights into usage across networks so you can proactively manage the bandwidth limits as well as identify bandwidth hogs on your network, which could point to other issues such as network intrusion. Primary function of network monitoring solutions is to monitor the performance of your network. It includes different types of bandwidth utilization that can and should be monitored, such as WAN, wide area network, or LAN, local area network. Using a network bandwidth monitoring tool like Intermapper allows you to monitor in real time using SNMP polling. It also lets you capture NetFlow data on your network. Intermapper can auto-discover any device on your network, edit tool map, and assign an SNMP traffic probe to the device to monitor interface utilization. It allows you to set traffic and device threshold, which highlight network activity and alert you when those values have been exceeded. Monitoring bandwidth is one of the most critical aspects of network management, and without comprehensive insight into what traffic is consuming bandwidth, it is not possible to ensure proper availability for business-critical services and applications. Admins can ensure business-critical applications are guaranteed minimum bandwidth and get traffic priority by applying quality of service policies. It's very common for traffic monitoring tools to help distinguish between normal traffic patterns and suspicious ones as well. With virus and malware often consuming out of the ordinary amounts of bandwidth, monitoring bandwidth utilization can also be invaluable to identifying security anomalies. Since your network traffic holds the key to providing effective service levels as well as network security issues, bandwidth monitoring should be part of your IT monitoring strategy.